Hi everybody, we're doing an easy patio makeover. Okay, so I moved to my new place and my patio furniture was starting to look a little beat up by having all the sun on it, by direct sunlight, and the cushions looked a little dingy. So I wanted to spruce it up and I got some rose gold sequined pillow covers and they look fantastic. I also spruced it up with some neon green and some coral, like that bright coral, summery coral um, pillow covers as well, as you can see. This is an easy transition. All you have to do is just unzip, um, you know, put it in, put your pillow into the slip cover, and that's it. And it's an easy, low cost way of changing up your patio, your look. You can do this seasonally if you want to. Change it out with something fun for summer, something fun for the holidays. And as you can see, it looks different during the daytime with the white cushions on the bottom, which are really easy to take care of actually. You can see I have some solar lights here and they go all the way back to the night blooming jasmine. Potted plants make a huge difference on a patio, but make sure that you get ones that are easy for you to take care of. If you do get some plants, like some trees, make sure that you replant them. Otherwise, they might get too dry. Now, the solar lights were really easy to install. It's literally putting a stake in the ground so that this solar panel over here can get enough sunlight during the day to give the lights power at night and create this magical little place on my patio. What do you think I should add? Should I add some more flowers? Should I add a fountain? Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.